pillows tight, man. Start holding the pillows tight, man. Okay? Nobody ain't coming to save you but yourself. Nobody ain't coming to save you but yourself. But yourself. God, yourself, and your decisions. Success is the decision. So make your decision today. You woke up another day, so why waste your time? Test how brave you are. Sacrifice yourself to live the better life. It's the finest things in this world that we don't even know about, that we need to find about. You know? Let's get on it. The only way we can get to the finest things in this life, that's if we take sacrifice in this life. But we can't be focused on a small world, opinions, when it's a bigger world, outside of the small world, outside of the 20 people that are talking about you. Look at that. It's 8.2 billion people in the world versus the 20 people that's talking about you for what you choose to do with your life. Remember that. For real. So stop focused on the small world. Focus on the bigger world. Forgive. People that's talking about you, you cannot listen to them. Is they higher than you in life? If not, why listen to them? If they don't have what you want in life, why listen to them? If they're not in a higher position, why listen to people? Why listen to everybody? Don't listen to them type of people. If you like, don't listen to them at all. Listen to yourself. You know, go off you. Go off your gut. Go off your intuition. Simple as that. This man some rice. This man, he broke the chance. I was telling you, I some rice. That's on you. That loss is your loss, bro. All right, y'all. Remember, focus on the bigger world. Focus on the 8.2 billion people. Not the 20, the 30, or the 40 people that's talking about you. I'm out. Get my ebook, by the way.